Currently, the market has almost stopped growing, and we can even see some decline. Therefore, it's a great time to analyze whether it would be appropriate to replace your main job with a job in crypto. During a bull run, many people literally rush into crypto, bringing their funds to multiply them. Let's figure out why this happens and what would have occurred if you had placed your bet on this field. Let's first look at the statistics. We can see that the number of users is steadily increasing at a significant pace. In 2017, the number is 18 million. In 2023 is more than 500 million. The market capitalization also grew and is predicted to continue growing. Thus, objectively, the market is expanding. Why not to become a participant and earn from it? But will joining the market really provide an opportunity to earn rather than lose money? Let's figure it out. First point. Why do people ignore crypto most of the time, but suddenly feel inspired to join the crypto community? We can see the bull runs of 2017, 2021 and 2023 and 2024 breaking new all-time highs. Just think about why you became interested in crypto specifically during this bull run or another bull run. Where did you first hear about crypto? According to statistics, we typically learn about it from news, influencers, or friends. Influencers start actively discussing the earning opportunities in crypto and people enter the market. So we have clarified this point. Second point, the person has entered the market. What's next? They see green numbers on the chart, incredible growth percentages, and hear stories of the first profits made by others. Companies are truly giving away significant amount of money in airdrops. Some of these include distributions worth $6.5 million, $3.5 million, $2 million, 1.9, 1.8. People see instructions on where to click and how to invest their money to make a profit. Without analyzing anything, they invest their funds. Months go by and the person will likely continue investing more. It's important to note that active investment at this stage is often driven by the so-called FOMO, fear of missing out feeling. The most interesting stage, reality sets in. After a few months of euphoria, charts start to trend downward, sometimes sharply, sometimes gradually. At this stage, people often begin checking their current investments and realize that reality doesn't match their expectations. In the best case, there are no significant gains, and in the worst case, losses are already apparent. So, the person either cashes out at a loss or waits longer. Different scenarios can occur, but we won't delve into them just yet. Why does this happen? Let's take a look at a few examples and see what they have in common. Starknet. Starknet announced the token claim at the end of February 2024. Here is the tweet from the Starknet Foundation. Let's see where we were in this bull run. This happened right when the market was growing. Here is the end of February for the Starknet. At this point, many people were able to make significant gains, achieving life-changing profits. However, there is a nuance. The people who participated in this project did so from early 2023. If we look at the chart, crypto was at its lowest level throughout almost all of 2023. Aging layer. Aging layer ranks second in terms of TVL, total value locked. At the end of April, they announced Airdrop. But this was only for those who had interacted with the project before March 15. Let's look at the price charts on CoinMarketCap again. March, here is March 15. And the market was at its peak, and many people were investing heavily in various protocols that interacted with aging layer. Almost all these people have not received anything yet. Of course, projects may later revise their conditions, as was the case with aging layer, but who gets guaranteed reward? The testnet started in April 2023. Again, return to the CoinMarketCap. April 2023. At that time, there wasn't much interest in crypto. Participants simply invested their resources in faith, hoping for future rewards. There are many such examples. The only conclusion we can draw is that the biggest rewards, or any rewards at all, go to those users who worked a lot, often for free and without a clear understanding of whether they would receive anything for their effort. Now, let's get back to the topic. Career change to cryptocurrency using airdrops. In most cases, those who genuinely earn are the ones who work in crypto when others aren't even talking about it. Therefore, yes, earning through projects token airdrops is possible, but only if you approach crypto as your primary job, not as a burst of emotions and greed. I must note that in this video I haven't touched on the topic of long-term investments or other ways to earn parallel to your main occupation.